In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a tab in Google Chrome. Pinning a tab is a simple yet incredibly useful feature that can help you manage your open tabs more effectively. By the end of this guide, you'll have mastered this convenient tool, which ensures your essential tabs are just a click away and never lost in a sea of open tabs. To begin, make sure you have Google Chrome open on your device. Once you're ready, let's dive into the process. First, navigate to the tab you want to pin. This could be any website or page that you frequently use and want easy access to. Maybe it's your email, a social media site, or an important web page you often refer to. Having this open and accessible will make the process smoother. Once you've decided on the tab you'd like to pin, move your cursor to the tab you have displayed at the top of the browser window. This is the section where you can see the title of the web page or site you are currently visiting. Now, here's where the magic happens. You're going to focus on the tab itself, not the content of the page. Next, simply right-click on the tab. This action will bring up a menu with several options related to managing your open tabs. You should see a variety of choices like Reload, Duplicate, and Close tab. Among these options, look for one that says Pin. Click Pin and watch as the tab neatly minimizes to just an icon on the left side of your browser. This means it is now pinned. That's it. Now let's discuss a bit about what pinning does. Pinning a tab keeps it open, even if you close and reopen the browser, making it incredibly useful for sites you visit regularly. Pinned tabs are also locked in place, ensuring they remain at the start of your tab list until you decide to unpin them. This can help reduce clutter in your browser and streamline your browsing experience. If you eventually want to unpin a tab, simply right-click on the pinned tab's icon on the left of your browser. In the options menu that appears, select Unpin. The tab will revert to its original size and location alongside your other tabs. And that's all there is to it. Pinning tabs is a straightforward feature that can significantly boost your productivity. It's great for keeping essential web pages at your fingertips and maintaining an organized browsing environment. Give it a try and see how this nifty trick works for you. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing with your newly pinned tabs. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides like this one.